Hey everyone. So for those that have been following, you know that my wife has stage 4 breast cancer, and she just had a PET scan the other day, and we wanted to share the results with you guys because we just got those back today.
So my oncologist said that everything on the PET scan is clear, which means that for me, because it's stage 4 and it's not curable, that the cancer has pretty much gone like into hiding. And so that means that, it's gone. It's gone from my liver. He said there's nothing on my liver anymore. I previously had 4 spots on my liver. The only thing he said was that I have a tiny little dot on my lung, which is new, but he said that it's probably not even related to the cancer. It's just kind of there. So that is awesome news. That's what we've been hoping for. That's what we've been praying for. And we are just so blessed and thankful and just very excited to hear this awesome news. I will have to keep receiving treatments every 3 weeks as like a maintenance sort of a thing, because that's what's keeping the cancer at bay. And also I have to get CT scans every 3 months and then an MRI on my brain every 6 months, just to make sure that the cancer is not coming back and further spreading throughout my body. So that is very good news, and we are very excited about that.
Sometimes I think I need an MRI in my brain too. But anyways, I just want to thank you guys again, and I put a little video together of a job I moved Tinys Skidder to. Tiny was kind enough to let me use it on this job, and I was just plowing with it, trying to get some of the trails opened up, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey everyone. Sorry, I was making a fool of myself. But anyway, thank you for your prayers.
Wait.
Hey everyone. I just got done plowing out the driveway for the truck road. I'm on another new job now with Tinys Skidder, and this is about 350 acres I'm going through and cutting. So there's one other thing I wanted to add to this video, and earlier today I posted a short of me plowing with Tinys Skidder, which what you're watching right now, and I had a guy comment saying that, I'll just put it on here for you guys to see what it says, but anyways, it made me think about how many people aren't content with what they have. And if you're not content with what you have, and if you've ever heard the saying, keeping up with the Joneses, you'll never find true joy in your life. You'll just be constantly chasing after something new over and over and over again. And items don't bring you joy. They might bring you temporary joy, but in the long run, you'll still be miserable. So I am content with the equipment I have. I am content with how it's set up. I am content with pretty much everything. I mean, I don't put my joy into items or things. I put my joy and my faith of God. I put my joy in my family, and essentially my family and God come first. If you're putting your joy in the items, then you're gonna be very disappointed in life. I mean, it's not my skidder anyways. It's Tiny's, and I'm really thankful that he's let me use it. Uh, it's got a Detroit 353 in it. Could it use more power? Yes, but it gets the job done. And like I always tell you guys, I'm never in a rush. I love what I do, and I'm going to take my time doing it because I know how dangerous it is. So there's a couple differences between this 225D and my 230A. One of them being the transmission. This one has a reverser box built on the transmission, and this is your forward reverse here, which will also run the winch in reverse as well. If you leave this in reverse, the winch will go in reverse, and that's going to take some time to get used to because mine doesn't make a difference whether you leave it in forward or reverse. The winch always runs forward, and we just pop out the high-low when you're in neutral to winch in. And you can adjust the speed of your winch using your gear shifter, so 1 being the slowest, 4 being the fastest. I'm pretty sure it's probably the same concept for this winch as well. I haven't ran this machine enough to say so or not, but I'm assuming that's the case. Another thing too is my 230, my steer lever is on the outside and my blade's right here in the middle. Winch is in the same spot, but on this one the steer lever is in the middle and the blade's on the outside. So when I'm plowing, you guys are probably wondering what the heck I'm doing half the time, and half the time I think I'm steering, I'm putting the blade down, or I'm picking the blade up, and I think I'm using the blade, and I'm steering, and it's going to take a little time to get used to, but we'll get it. That's a good looking machine though. Everything's nice and tight in it. This has the Hercules winch. This job has some smoke and big cherry on it. And decent hemlock as well. Another beautiful cherry there. Another one right there. Yellow birch right here. And we're just in here doing a little select cut, TSI work. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you all have a blessed day. And remember, be content with what you have, and pray for the things you need, and God will always provide for your needs. So, thank you for your prayers again, and thank you for your support through this journey that my wife and I have been through. We greatly appreciate it.